think I'm setting a new record for number of restarts. I I think my old record was 3, and I'm pretty sure I've done 4 so far. So that's cool. uh, yeah. All right. Let's put things back together again, as I am now in the habit of doing. Thank you, that you're fan. um, so, while my IDE is starting up, I will put the notifier back online, and the oh cool, my IDE's back already. That's quick, relatively speaking, relative to the massive inconvenience of everything else. All right, we're back. No, it's not actually. Oh, there it goes. Yay, cool. Yay, cool stuff. Ugh. All right. Music. I want music. Oh, and I should run the script because why not? Oh wait. Oh, I've left the script in a bit of a state. So wait. I can put it back to normal. Ugh. It feels sketchy putting back to normal the part where it saves data, but oops, shift 3. I think this is correct at least. All right. Hold on, I'll back up data in case I accidentally like nuke everyone's data. That I'm not intending to nuke everyone's data, so I might as well take some steps to avoid it as I can. So, players backup. We didn't need this backup, but we might need this one. So, copy here. Shouldn't take long. It's mostly light data. Alright, and now we're in the script. Yeah. Alright. Whoop. Now, I clearly did not leave this in a playable state. What did you freak out about? Unsupported operand? String and int? Oh. Wait, what? The XP is not an int, or not a string. Did I accidentally say it? Oh, yeah. You're right. Okay, so int. Whoops. We used to do this correctly. We just forgot. Oh, and so LPCT is the float version of this. It's the float version of this. Alright, so save that. Now the script is back in order. I don't care if I never use mra anywhere. Oh, undefined name? Oh, right, yeah, right. Right. We did replace mra. Thank you, that's a real error. That's an actual error. Alright. Yeah. Save that. I mean, it wouldn't have evaluated, like, we wouldn't have hit that error, but it was technically a real error. I've returned somewhere, or I've landed somewhere. I actually have no clue where I am. I can breathe. I can breathe a little bit, so that's good. Wordless, hey, how's it going? Yeah, if you figure out where I am, please send help. I'm I'm lost and scared. Module object has no attribute round. What? Round? Oh. What do you call it then? I mean, when you floor it, like math.floor. I guess I assumed it would be math.round, but apparently not. Is it not even math.round? Is it just round? Oh, alright, so I guess round is more common operation than floor, and so it just got to be its own special thing. Apparently, what I'm assuming based on that. Music, music, please. Sorry. Uh, Although I don't play music on stream, I am a fan of music, so I do highly encourage you all to go out and find your own. Lauren, help me. Alright, how are we doing now? Fewer errors? More errors? Fewer errors? Looks like fewer errors, but I guess we'll find out. Wish us luck. Alright, so, alright, back to what I was doing. Right, so expd, what was that supposed to be? I don't know. It's probably stupid. I don't care about it. Right, so what we want to also save here is the string of the name of the next level exp minus current level exp current level exp all right, I'm comfortable here, so I can hang out. I can enjoy the peaceful waterfalls and just keep on deving. That's the great thing about laptops. You can just take them anywhere. Dev from space. Dev from alien planets. I might be back in time. I might be like millennia back in time. This might be prehistoric times. This might be Star Wars. I might be in Star Wars right now. So wait, so next level minus current level is not the full equation though, because we want to divide this by LPCT. No, this is LPCT. Oh. Wait. No, this is what we're dividing it by. And what are we dividing? We're dividing next level exp. No, current level exp. Here we go. Current level exp minus. No, exp minus current level exp. Yeah, final answer. So exp minus wait, exp or effective exp? I think effective exp actually. Yeah, I think it's effective exp. So even when we're not using effective exp, we do need to still calculate it. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Wait. Huh? Is this gonna be weird? I don't think so. I'm gonna just change my mind and not do any of this because it didn't. I thought it was gonna be way easier than if you have a question about dev, feel free to ask questions about dev. But like literally, my rhetorical questions are rhetorical questions, so you probably shouldn't try and like make a conversation out of those. I mean, I don't know. If you are just like I don't know. I guess like if I'm doing something, like don't call what I'm doing stupid, I guess is like the trick. Like there's no other special rule to it. It's just like please don't call my thing stupid. Or like you're welcome to, but I don't have a huge patience for like trolls, so you might get banned. That's I don't know. Like if I find someone really disruptive, like if I find someone so disruptive that I am having difficulty working with their presence, like I just have to have them not here so that I can work, because what I'm supposed to be doing here is working. So that's all. So it's nothing personal. Like, I've banned people that are probably like fine people, but it's I'm not doing this so that you guys can harass me. I'm doing this so that we can have a nice interaction. So as long as interactions are nice, then we're good. um, so yes, that's actually the next thing on the list. Zianho. The next thing on the list is to put name tags in more often. They're not going to be there all the time, but because like so like a character's name and or a person's name in Twitch can be 25 characters long, and our font is monospaced, so 25 characters is really long actually. It's like in terms of like on screen, like it's like really long. So if we tried to show all the names all the time, they would all overlap. And also the screen would just look messy and gross, and like it would just not be a desirable situation. Like, have you ever been in one of those like online games, like those side-scrolling MMOs, like MapleStory? There's just like, I don't know, maybe they fixed it, but like I back when I played those, like it was just an absolute mess because like people, I don't know, just no. But the next thing on the list is that you will see the names more often, because I mean, right now all the characters look very similar, so it's a little hard to tell them apart. So that'll like as characters start to as a greater level range is represented, then there'll be more. It won't look quite so uniform, but yeah. We also want to yeah. That is what's up. um, Excuse me. What did I mess up here? Why is this yelling at me? I don't have enough parentheses, or I have too many parentheses or something. Yeah, not enough parentheses. The editor eats my parentheses sometimes, which is annoying. But whatever, parentheses are basically free. No, Xianho, I just told you what I'm gonna do. Sorry, my stream has been resetting a lot today, and so I'm a little bit like I just have no patience right now. So if you ask me a question, you're gonna get a very honest answer. Frankly, you're welcome to ask me questions, but you're going to get honesty. So yeah. How's it going? All right. If I can get something done, I'll feel better, and I won't be quite as on edge. But like, whatever. I'm a person, and this is whatever. uh, um, what was I doing? So, um, there was a yeah. All right, so now we're saving this data correctly, or we're saving more data, and so now the other thing that we'd want to save is actually I'm gonna save this and rerun the script. Thank you. Thank you, Caleb. um, uh, yeah, so I'm gonna bring the script down for a second. I'm gonna let Trusty Bard depart, and then I'm gonna rerun the script, because while I'm setting up the other half, I want to see if that part works, or if it's gonna ruin everything. I backed up the player data. Actually, I should do it again. Actually, I don't. No, I'm just gonna do this quick. So I'm gonna run the script, but it's gonna be crashy. So I'll just in case there's chat delay. Heads up. Or no, I'll just put it in the text of the event. So I'm running the script. Display events. Testing. Oops, testing. 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 Please don't crash. Excelsior. Testing. Conclude event. Nice testing. Cool. Alright, that seemed to work okay. Yay, I got 3 experience points. Alright, so that didn't seem to ruin anything yet. Yeah, sorry, I did that event as quickly as possible because I was literally just doing it for test purposes. So, let me see it. And like, I kind of didn't want other people to participate because it might have ruined the save data, and I only wanted to ruin as few save data as possible. So that's why I jumped in there and I just canceled it afterwards. -1. That's not right. But it didn't crash, so there's that too. Alright, so, yeah, what the what? What the what? Yeah, let's look at the formula. How would we come out with -1 as the answer? That's not something I expected to come out with. Oh! I'm not setting effective experience. Right, I told myself I have to set expected... Blah, blah, blah. I told myself I have to set effective experience either way, and then I did not actually do it. So that would... Would that explain it, though? That wouldn't explain... No, that would... That would not explain it. No, it would. Yeah. No, that would explain it. That would totally explain it? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. No, that... Anyways, alright, I do have to do... Alright. That actually could be entirely true, Kill It. So, right, when we're loading an experience... No. Yeah, here, when we're setting other things. We can't just do... Yeah, we can't just set... Wait. Right. No, yeah, what's happening... The other thing that we have to do here is we have to set effective experience. And in this case, it just equals the same thing as experience. Yeah, save that. Alright, I'm going to rerun the script. And I'm just going to... So it's probably not going to populate all the characters because I didn't let it go fast enough, but testing, please. Excelsior, testing, conclude event. Alright, still no crashes. That's good. Now let's see what my data is. 1. That's not right either. But, it's better than it was before, I guess. Oh, I bet I know what's happening. 'Cause I'm doing math with ints. I'm like doing division with ints. And so maybe I'm just coming out with like maybe it doesn't know that I want it to be a float. Maybe? That's my best guess. So I'll try telling it that this half is a float. See if that works. And if this doesn't work, I'll tell it that both halves are floats or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna rerun the script because the script is really boring. It's only 2 characters, whatever. All right, so I'm just gonna rerun it. Sorry for this. Sorry for the interruption in blah blah whatever. Testing. Whatever. Excelsior. Testing. Hark. Testing. Include events. Alright. Perfect testing. Wow. Do you mean it? Do you really mean it, game? 1.1. Still not right. It's a float now, so that's something. It's not the right thing though. Not the right thing. I have 35 experience. Yeah, no, that's not correct. So why wouldn't it be correct now? Am I doing the right math? Effective experience minus current level experience. That will give us the amount of experience, how far into this level we are. So then if we, so like we're 50 experience points into this level. We've earned 50 experience since, oh, sorry, I'm gonna end the script again for a second. I'll bring it back, because it shouldn't hurt anything to run the script. I have to turn it off for a minute so that Trusty Bard will disappear. I almost called him Rusty Bard. Trusty Bard will disappear, so that when he comes back, he'll actually populate the channel and whatnot. Yeah. So next level experience minus current level experience. And I'm like setting these values correctly, right? We could like print these numbers just to see how it all goes, I guess. Why not? I don't have to worry about the other case because the other case can't possibly evaluate yet. So print what? Print all of these things. Pdict name, level, plus, oh, as a string. These all have to be strings. Str. I'll have to remember that one. I can't promise anything because I'm really good at mispronouncing stuff, but I can try. Str. Oops, plus. Alright. How many other strings do I want to actually print? Two more after this. I want to see what it thinks the current experience level is. I want to see what it thinks the next level experience is. Oh, and the experience, and the effective experience. So actually one more. Plus space plus yeah, what does it think effective experience level is? I mean, it should think it's experience level. At least that'd be nice if it did. Oh, maybe it's rounding errors? Could rounding errors be causing this? I wonder. I don't think so. I hope rounding errors aren't the cause. If rounding errors were the cause, though, instead of rounding, what would I want to do? Because, like, if rounding... Yeah. Wait, no. So wait, yeah, maybe I should be doing, if I'm doing floor before, I should be doing seal? Yeah. I should be doing seal here, not round. So math.seal, is that a thing? Yeah, seal, cool. I don't know if rounding errors were to blame, but incidentally, this is a true fact that I should be doing seal here. Because it's the amount of experience once you've crossed the threshold. It's not the amount of experience like closest to the threshold. It's literally you have to cross the threshold in order to level up. You can't just get close to it. because to calculate the level, we're using floor for the reverse operation. Who knows if that's actually what's causing it though. Let's also print name, I guess. So name plus level plus CLE plus NLE. So current level experience, next level experience. Wait, that's not NLE. Oh, so we left one empty. What? Oops, I'm a silly person. And then EXP. Alright. So I just want to see what this does. It's safe to run, right? I didn't leave things in a weird state, did I? Nope. I clearly left things in a weird state. Print. Oh, this. Wait, what? Where's an int? They should all be string objects. Oh, oops, this one. Yeah, derp. Derps. Yeah, there we go. Alright, how about now? Can't concatenate string and int objects. Where isn't there an int object in here? Oh, right here. Wow, why am I so bad at this? Wait, and now I don't have enough parentheses. Or I have too many parentheses? Wait. Parentheses. Wait, that seems like the right number of parentheses to me. Because those parentheses go together, those parentheses go together, right? These parentheses go together? Yeah. These parentheses go together. And these parentheses go together. Did I forget to open parentheses? Oh. Oh, wait, I'm a silly person. There we go. That should do us better. Yes. Alright, let's try that. Communiac, hey, how's it going? Alright, so now I should get information about what it thinks people's experience levels are. So I can see why it might give us weird numbers. Right? Wait, what the heck? Oh, here we go. Okay, so Trusty Bard, level 1. Current level experience is, wait, where'd it go? 10. Next level experience is 20. Effective experience is 19. Is that true? 20? 10 and 20? I didn't think that was right. I thought the formula was different. Maybe, alright, so maybe my math is messed up. The first one should be 10. Yeah, the next one should be like 25 or like 26 or something. Not 20. Where did you get 20 from? Oh! Oh! Maybe it doesn't like that I'm doing 4 divided by 3 with ints. Maybe it would prefer me to say 4.0 divided by 3. Because, like, I don't know. Let's try that. Sorry, I have to shut down the script for a second. Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to add in this data stability, level balance, adjustment, correction feature, but it's tricky. It's trickier than I expected. I'm thinking, like, I don't know, maybe a better solution at this point would just be to never balance the game ever. Just, like, never change the balance of the game. No. I don't know. I Yeah, because I think I don't know. I was thinking I'd probably want to tune like a lot of the numbers as like the game plays, like so I could get it to like a point where it felt good and I could get the right balance for how I wanted the game to play. And I guess I do. I guess I just have to remind myself that I really do want that. I really want that outcome. Uh, what are you implying, Comega? Hey, John Sterling, how's it going? Serious face? That was probably not a very good serious face. Oh man. Oh gosh. I slightly dread to. I might be slightly possessed in that image. Alright, alright, yeah. Trusty Bard is gone. Yeah, so I'll rerun the script. And let's see what the numbers look like now. Do they look better, please? Would they do like better? Please. Alright, so 26. Good, 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 good. So it now knows the levels better. Correct. Better. Oh, Comediac's level 2? Congratulations. Uh, hey, I have leaderboards built in now. Alright, so I think this is more correct. So now I think alright, I'm gonna do another test event and see if things haven't gotten normal. So sorry. Sorry about all the test events. Things will get back to like normal at some point, but test. Sorry, not a real event. Nothing to see here. Excelsior. Test. Conclude event. Nice test. Thank you. Thank you, game. Or thank you, Trusty Bard. I thought that was a nice test. Come on. Fractional! Look, it's fractional! It's fractional, you guys. It's fractional. Fractional is good. Fractional is life. um. Oh. Yeah. Oh, wait. I just thought of something else. Level. Huh. Yeah. Okay, current level and next level are based on your actual. Ooh. Ooh. Current level. Okay, yeah. Current level and next level and max level and like all the level stuff. It's so there's a slightly different. Okay, so the way the level ups work is that when you gain experience, you don't level up immediately. You actually you level up a uh wait, where's Kaminiak? You should have a blue hat. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention and he walked fast already. Where's Kaminiak in his blue hat? I guess I should add those. Once I add those name tags in again, it'll be easier to see. But uh, hmm. Hmm. What's the? Oh, wait, gloves. Oh, right. Kaminiak's the one with gloves. That's the difference. Oh, and there are 2 characters with gloves. 3 characters with gloves. Wow. Oh, one of them's probably me because I keep doing all these super cheaty tests. Yeah, level 2 is pretty subtle. You get gloves. So, for example, I might want to switch that around. I might want to make it so that level 2 you get the blue hat. Um, I don't know. It's probably fine for now. But yeah, look at all those beta badges too. So that's good. I'm glad to see that that's working still, or it seems to be working consistently. All right, so yeah, the way the level up system works is that when you gain the experience to level up, you you don't like your character art doesn't just like immediately like pop to like the new character art. You make it all the way to the edge of the screen. You come in from the other edge of the screen wearing your new gear, and then it says level up. So like you've already earned the level up a little bit before it shows you about the level up because it just I just wanted to make sure there was like the dramatic entrance. Also, I'm weird, but what is I was gonna say yeah. So that's like so there are kind of like two levels, and all of this stuff that I'm doing now is going to be based on the actual level, not on the displayed level, because the displayed level is just for display purposes. So hypothetically, if you leveled up and then you closed the game, like it, or when I say close the game, I mean left the stream. Um, you level up and then you immediately leave, so you never get to see that new level up. The next time you come back, it will just show you in your new gear. It won't show you in your old gear, and yeah, I mean that's obvious, right? And that's how we want it to be. So that's how we're gonna make it. Yeah. All right. um, so so uh, what's up? Yeah. So now let's continue on because we have reason to think that we are on a reasonable track, I guess. All right, we're saving that correctly. Good, good. So now let's so now let's hmm uh, uh yeah, no, I was just thinking now that adding experience is like a little more involved. I was thinking I might want to change how it's done because right now I do the initiative, like you get bonus points for the initiative, and I actually attribute them immediately. And then so there's the initiative bonus, there's the actual event results, and then there's just like well no, I guess it's just the difference between initiative and non-initiative. So hmm. uh yes. Oh yeah, so Caleb, I have accounted for that, and it's a very rare case because it might actually be impossible for that ever to happen. But just in case it could ever happen, like because I don't know, right now it can't happen. But if I change the level balance, like if I make it super truncated, so like the first several levels are like rapid fire, and someone like I don't know, like when I was adding in the new when I add in the nobility points, I was thinking I don't know, maybe I could give like a million nobility points all in like one go. I don't want to do that, and I don't think I'm going to do that. So it's entirely likely that it actually will never happen. However, because I'm a fan of like the fanfare and like the level ups, when you actually do multiple laps. So let's say you're level 8 and you get to level 10 automatically somehow. I don't know, whatever. So you finish your lap across the screen, and then you come in level 9 gear and it says level up, and you make it all the way across the screen, and you come in again and you come into level 10 gear and it says level up. And if somehow you made it to level 11 in that time, which I don't know, that could be possible, then you'll do another lap and it'll say level 11. Level up. So yeah. um, yeah. uh, so right, so the last thing that's left to do is well, one of the last things that's left to do is to uh thank you, Lauren. um so yeah, the last thing left to do before I get to test to see if it's all working is to save out those other values. So now when you level up, which happens here, if level is greater than effective level or level A. So this is your display level. Level is your actual level, and level A is your display level. Um, so when you level up, Yeah, I mean, I guess technically we have to do this make dir thing. Uh, so uh, might as well do it first. No harm. Uh, Actually, I'll do it last, as I tend to. Well, I'll do it right before I print. No, I can do it right after that. Alright, so I have to write something. But first I have to calculate something. So if yeah, I appreciate sound in games, but if you leave me to my own devices, it's sure not the first thing that I do of my own accord. I decided for my first game I'm actually gonna hire audio people or an audio person or audio people. I don't know. I'm gonna buy the audio for the game instead of trying to do it on my own because like all right. So what am I doing? Right, okay, so yeah, so we do the player name thingy thing, but we're not actually looking for experience.txt. We're looking for, what do we call it? Stable? Stable.txt? Pretty sure. Yeah, stable.txt. And then we'll write it. But actually, before we do that, we need to calculate two things. Oh, yeah, right. We need to calculate oh. Oh. Huh. The ah. There is another thing that I kind of wanted to look up. There's like a missing piece of data that I wanted to, using the level, I wanted to determine what is the piece of, what is the, can you do a reverse dictionary lookup? I think when I was looking for a reverse list lookup, I actually found a reverse dictionary lookup. Python dict reverse lookup. Is that a real thing? Inverse dictionary lookup? Is that a real thing? Yeah. Wait. There is none. Yeah. Alright, fine. Alright, so I guess I'll just do the oh. Alright, so I might have to change this a little bit. Because previously I was assuming that yeah, so previously I was assuming that that the stable.txt had one had one value indicating the level and one value indicating the max item, but I might actually have to elaborate on that slightly. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I guess I can do this. I can use the current system. Yeah, no, I should use the current system and work with the current system because I should put, because people will level up less frequently than people will join. Like more players will arrive than will level up in a given span of time. That might not be 100% true, but I don't know. They're close enough that I can just do it either way, and I'll do it this way. Right, because I'm actually gonna. I don't have like one cohesive list of like all of the. I don't have like one cohesive list of all of the equipment that as you level up. Like they're not all perfectly in order. They're not all perfectly stacked like that. They're stacked by slot. So yeah, what I have to do is ordered whatever what's it called, like equip ordered or something like that. Equip slots ordered. So for li in slots list. Uh, so for li in slots list. Slots ordered index li index level. I have to do something with this. Like append. I have to make a list and append this to it. So like it's like gear list equals oh wait. Yeah. Gear, gear list equals a list. And then wait, what? um yeah, so so like item equals uh yeah. Yeah, that's true. There is there is still there's like a because the Lauren it's because the tags stay on screen longer than the event goes because of stream delay. Yeah, there's like a scale. So like you get a bigger bonus if you get the initiative bonus, and you get a mid range if you answer at like in the middle of it. But then if you answer between when the event ends and when stream delay brings off screen, it's not full credit, but you still get credit. Yeah. Um, Stress testing for large numbers. That is an interesting question. I haven't done it yet, but then again, like the most people I've ever had in my stream at one time are like is like no, we were at like 50 people I think once. Or no, maybe it was only more like 30 or 40. But like yeah, I'll be interested to find out what happens cuz yeah, I haven't really had to optimize it yet, but who knows? If if a ton of people show up, then I don't know. That's a kind of nice problem to have. um, yeah, I don't know what would happen in that case. um, like I think I do know what would happen at the end. So my the events processing isn't super efficient. Like the entire events processing happens at the end, like in one frame at the end of the event. So I'm guessing what I'd have to do is that like I'm pretty sure that's the first thing I would have to optimize. I'm pretty sure most things would work out okay. Um, well, I could do deferred drawing too. Like if well no. Even if there are like a million people in the channel, there are still only like 30 or so people on screen at any one time. So yeah, that would be the drawing I don't think would get excessive. So if the events processing got excessive, I mean all I really have to do is like we have plenty of time between events. Like I don't have to process the event like immediately. I can just, instead of like all like just like, like doing it all in like one bang, I can just like do it in increments, like process one player per frame, and then like within seconds I'll have processed like everyone. And I think that would be the worst like spike. I could be wrong, but I think that would be like the I think that I think if I if the channel gets popular and I do get more viewers, then I very likely will have to do that. But I think actually even with the current system, it'll probably take a little while before I hit that point. I don't know. Good question. Um, so what am I doing here? Oh yeah, so gear list equals stuff. Item equals that. Why are you? Oh, you're complaining because I haven't used these values yet. You whiny jerk. How about this? Gear list dot append item. Wait, hold on. No. Equips index item dot excuse me, dot, what did I call this? Level, just level. And then comma. Oh yeah, this is a tuple. Whoops. Did not mean to hit page. Page up and page down are right next to my arrow keys, so I'll hit them a lot. Alright, yes, and then the item itself. Because then once we're done with this, we can just we can sort gear list. Sort. And then we can just take the first item. Oh, bandwidth. Bandwidth! No, internet, I believe in you. Oh, okay. Okay, phew. Ooh, we just dipped down to really low bandwidth and it got me. You guys probably saw the little spinning icon, but maybe not. Maybe everything's good. Whew. Alright, so now we can sort the gear list and then just take the top one as our... What is this? This is our so then T huh. I guess I don't really have to save this to the player. The top gear thing. I don't really have to track that with the player. Because like I can calculate it right when I right when I save it. Huh. So yeah, I'll probably do that. So sorry, it just cracks me up that whenever the server says ping to trusty Bard, Bard says I love you to the server, and the server says back unknown command, and I don't know. It's just isn't that just the tale of the ages? No, sorry. Um. So. Gearlist.sort. Oh yeah. So right. So T equip equals gearlist index 0, index 1, and then right, I know, I'm not using tequip anywhere. I literally just made it. Alright, so so then the thing that we're writing, where are we writing? Oh, down here. Oh, why are we calculating it first if we're not writing it until down? Whatever. Yeah, let's put these closer together. Alright, so yeah, so tquip is the second term. The first term is the level. Alright, cool. So that's all so now So now we write in the string version of the player's level. The string version of the player's level. Where I keep losing my place. Plus a space character. Plus T equip. Top equip. And yeah, we don't actually have to retain this on the character. So T equip, yeah, top equip can also just be like T equip, and we can read it into this value as well. Save that, and then that doesn't have to be an aspect of the character. Cool. Cool. So, yeah. So now we're literally done. Alright, I'm not going to... Alright, what does our bard look like? Our bard is, trusty bard is like level something. Well, okay, no, the test will be... Alright, I'm going to bring down the script, right? Okay, I'm bringing down the script. I'm going to jack up the formula for experience levels. I'm going to jack it up so that none of us have any experience levels, hypothetically. And so what we should see, hypothetically, is we should see, hey, we got a new follower. Zippo, welcome. Hey, how's it going? Thank you for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Welcome. What we should see, yeah, when I run the script now, is that, oh, no, I can't change this. I can't change the values yet because none of those things are saved yet. Yeah, so I'll have to do that. So yeah, okay, right. So I'll wait till Trusty Bard has left the thing. All right, I'll give it just a little bit longer because sometimes even after he disappears from this thing, it still doesn't work. So I'll give it a moment longer. I'm going to do an event, and then that will give out experience. Then I'm going to stop the script again, and then I'm going to screw up with the experience levels, and then I'm going to. Oh, hey, cool. Yeah, you came to the right place. It's not always programming, but I do a lot of programming. I end up, I don't know, it's just such a big part of game development that I end up spending a lot of time doing it. Like now, for example, I just added in a system where I can rebalance the game and it won't mess with characters' levels. Like it won't mess with characters' progressions. This game is very new. Like it's technically, I'm still calling this the alpha. Like I'm trying to basically finish all of the core features for today so that on Monday I can call it beta and actually start like using it proper. So far, yeah, we're getting close. So yeah, this was like kind of a convenience feature. So this feature will allow me, once I'm done with it, it will allow me to adjust the game to get it, feeling better during the whole beta period and not have to worry about accidentally ruining players' lives. So yeah, that's enough time. So I'm gonna run the script and I'm gonna do an event. Whoops. How is T-equip referenced before its assignment? Oh, right, yeah. Yep, because I'm not initializing it. Derps. T-equip equals that. Alright, and then, yeah. Forgot about that part. Alright, so I'll wait till everyone's here, and then we'll do a quick event. It's not going to be anything mind-blowing. But I should start thinking about it because it takes me a while to think about these things. Um, so, so what happened? Oh yeah, the last thing that happened was we talked to an old man, and he gave us advice about tactics. I never actually imparted that advice because I got distracted talking about how zero events are like this. So on my control panel, I can control the event type, and type zero are random dice rolls. So like the actions that we take don't actually have, like the actions that we take kind of have an impact on like the experience levels, but the amount of experience points that we get, but like none of our actions control how that experience is assigned. It's like for every action, like at the end of the event, like a random dice is rolled to determine how successful or not successful it was. So yeah, that I got distracted because what happened when we did that, we asked the dude for advice, and tactics got the highest dice roll, and so hypothetically, the old man should have imparted advice the about tactics, and it was something about, like, I think if I recall correctly, it was like tactics about his encounter with like the ogre lord of like some other kingdom. So I guess I should, if I'd been a better game master at the time, I would have said something to the effect of like, or I would have like made up some story. Whereas like, I guess he found that the ogres were furious and brutal when focused, but also found also had difficulty uh, paying attention, or so, I don't know, something like that. Anyways, so hypothetically, if I'd been a better game master, he would have imparted advice that would become relevant later on in the game. I don't know if that's. I don't know. Maybe I'm not a bad game master. We'll find out. I mean, heck, this is what we're here to find out. Now that the game is somewhat serviceable, so I'm either wasted enough time that the automatic event system will kick in the very near future, or I should now come up with a new event. We've been doing a lot of event types 3 and 0 because those are easiest to write. But I should probably do event types 1, 2, and 4 sometimes as well. And like in the game proper, I wouldn't be telling you like what event types I'm actually making, because hypothetically, once you learn what the event types mean, it'd be exploitable if you knew what type of event, etc., etc. So, so I mean, I guess sometimes I could tell you the event type, because even if you know what the event type is, like in order to exploit that event type, you'd all have to work together. And I think we all know how effective an entire chat channel can be when it comes to working together. But all right. I'm probably really close to having wasted enough time for the auto event system to kick in. But just in case I haven't, I should come up with one. Um, so um, so what? You're right. So I I still haven't written out like a storyline for this adventure to take, and I don't have any idea of like a schedule, or like how, like hypothetically, in order to operate this game effectively, like I should, if I think I'm going to be streaming for 8 hours in a given day, I should have like this much of a plan for like how much of the adventure we should be accomplishing in this 8 hours. Um, I don't have a sense of how fast we'll progress through a story with using this game system, because it's not. I mean, it's kind of not like other games. Like I don't. If there's a game that uses the same sort of methods, I don't know of it. Like the closest comparison I can think of is a tabletop role playing game, because that was kind of what I was inspired by, and like kind of what I tried to pull inspiration from when making this game. But I yeah, I don't know. I think I'll have to like I think I'll develop that sense the more I play the game. Speaking of playing the game, I'm supposed to be coming up with an event right now. I'm very good at coming up with tangents, so that I can. There we go. Yeah, I'm super good at coming up with tangents. And look, Trusty Bard kicked in. and here we have our event. um, uh, excuse me. So I my mind powers willed it into existence. um, so that multi-tag is a little bit schmuh. It's a little bit just like tacked onto the end there. I should probably at least like capitalize it so it has a little more. Whoa, hey, how about that? That was probably the initiative bonus. That was probably supposed to be the initiative bonus. So it doesn't like what? Key error. What? Key error? I was appending. How do you get a key error from appending? Oh. Oh, it's not supposed to be square braces? It's supposed to be, I like it. I like it, if dog, then. That's not a bad idea, though. Like, I could just come up with, like... I could, like, I could use... Because, like, that word at the front, hark, it's only there to grab attention. So I could just have several different words, like, I don't know. I don't know what... If there's another word for hark that implies, like... exactly what like a multi-select event would imply, but oh yeah, sorry guys. The in case you didn't notice, that event is not going to conclude because the game crashed. So I apologize. I'm gonna try and fix this and get it back up and running promptly. This isn't supposed to be square braces. It's supposed to be parentheses. I should just test this out. Sleep is Death. I've heard of Sleep is Death. I don't think I've ever played it before. Oh, wait. Yeah, do I know about this one? I think I do. Yeah. Yeah, I know that game. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not a bad comparison. Um, uh, so it's like the mud version of Sleep is Death, maybe. um, Sorry, I'm trying to append a tuple, so yeah, I think it's, I was using square braces because I like square braces, but I think that was not the time nor the place. Wait, where else do I do something like this? I'm pretty sure there's another place that I do something like this. Oh yeah, I do it down, I don't always remember how things work, but I do tend to remember other places that I did something similar. Oh no. I didn't actually end up using... Oh no, sorry, yeah. Oh no. No, that was right. It is square braces. What the heck? Key error. What the heck? Key error. You jerk. Oh, wait. There was another... Oh, item. Item? Wait. What's wrong? So it's complaining with my usage of... It's complaining about my usage of item as the index for... Why would you complain about that? Slots... Am I misusing slots ordered? I'm pretty sure that's how I use slots ordered. Yeah. It goes by the, Oh. Wait, yeah. I'm doing that right? It goes by... Yeah. What is your problem? Oh. 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 Right. It's probably upset that some of these slots are empty. So I only have to do this if item isn't an empty string, I think. Wait, no. If it wait. No. What is what are these slots if they're unassigned? Because they're not just the empty string. They're like null, I guess. Is there null? Is like null a thing? Oh, null. Yeah. All right. Thank you. If dog, then perfect timing. Um, and accounting for stream delay, that means you're like 30 seconds ahead of me. Yeah. So if item not equal null. There we go. All right. And because null, capital N null. Oops, not there. Null. You don't like null, huh? Well, fine. I'm just gonna do a stupid trick that I know will work. Greater than 0. Length. Greater than 0. If null doesn't want to exist, then... Oh, hey! That's awesome. Oh, none? Alright. Well, I think, yeah, I was just gonna do the length. Because if it's blank, it should have length 0, and if it's an actual item name, then it should have a longer length. Alright, so the script has been down long enough. I'm just gonna bring it up. I'm just gonna do a test event, because, like, I don't know, if it's gonna continue crashing, there's no point in waiting. So, hooray, test event, free points. Free points. Free points. Hooray. Conclude event. Crash? No crash? No crash! Look at that! How about that? Oh, I didn't wait for players to join. Whoops. Sorry. So it was 3 points for me, but I'm a cheater. Sorry about that. I forgot to wait for players to show up. Anyways, so it didn't crash this time, so that's good. Oh, and it awarded points. So, yeah. Players, binary. Oh, wait, but it didn't. Wait, it awarded points, but it didn't give me my, I should have a stable file now. Because it gave me points. What the? What the? Did I put it in the wrong folder or something? Stable.txt? No? Weird. Why would... Oh, because I haven't leveled up. Right, you don't get it just for getting experience points. You get it, you have to level up. So... Oh, man. Skotos.net? Interesting. Yeah, MUDs used to be really popular. And then I guess they kind of gave ways to MMOs. Cool. I will add that to my list of things I should check out when I'm not on stream. And have time to read things. Thank you, Caleb. Sorry if dog then. Hopefully there will be more opportunities in the future. Alright, so I might just like cheat points and stuff. So, because I just need to level up. I just need to get that file created, and then I have to change the point scale to make sure that that item works. So it's going to seem really cheaty and unfair, but I'm also going to reset my data after this, so don't worry, I'm not actually keeping any of these ill-gotten gains, for what it's worth. Um, so for starters, I'm just going to do, yeah, event type 1, bork, uh, testing, please disregard, create event, bork, conclude event, perfect bork. Did I level up? Yes, no. Oh, Caleb leveled up. All right, well that works. So let's see Caleb level up. That works. So the next thing, so now Caleb should have that save data that we were looking for before. Yes, stable. 1 brown cap. Wait, cap brown? No. No. That's not correct. Oh! Because I'm doing sort, I'm not doing reverse sort. Ha Oh, good show. Sorry. Um, yeah. So, what do I do? Kayla, congratulations. What you actually got was a walking stick. You didn't. You had the brown cap already. So what that file should have said was oh, that your fan. Hey, thank you for thank you for popping in. It's good to see you. Oh yeah, Meridian 59. I'm actually not familiar with that. To the other computer, where we'll punch it in as a search term and then probably bookmark it. Yes, I will do exactly those things. Alright, yeah, right, so I have to do a reverse sort. There's a way that you can do that in Python. Like the sort thing. You can't do a reverse lookup, but you can do a reverse sort. Sort. Like one of the arguments for it is, list sort. List dot sort. I swear I've looked at this before. Shut up. Python list sort. It's like a term that you pass in. Sort. Reverse. Yeah. Except a reverse parameter with a Boolean value. So reverse equals true. Reverse equals true. Excuse me. I should stop the scripts because I'm going to bring back the script shortly and I want players there. So sort, where are we sorting? Our gear list sort, reverse equals true, capital T true. Save that. Right? Am I right? Reverse equals true. Why are all the examples using sorted? Show freaking sort. You jerk. You have like 800 examples. You couldn't do a single one of them using sort instead of sorted. Whatever. I do not care. Why does it keep using sorted? Because it's a weird person, I guess. Alright. It's not even a real person. Alright, sorry. Don't mind me. Alright, so bleep bloop, bleep bloop bloop. This is me wasting a moment of time so that when I restart the script, it will recognize Uh, oh, interesting. Yeah, I never really got into online games until EverQuest. That was the first one that really hooked me. At least like big online games. Um, but it did hook me, and I have a soft spot for them. It's just, I think like I don't think I don't think the internet is the most important thing invented in our lifetime, but or like in the in recent history. Some people are younger than the internet, but I don't think the internet is the most important thing. I don't like in I think well, this is just a guess, but I feel like ultimately a lot of our technological advances in space travel will prove more important than the internet. But in the near term, like as far as like current history has proven, oh wow, look at that. What? Wait, what? Oh, oh right, yeah, no, that doesn't exist. I got rid of that. Cool. Forgot to erase it from that. Yep. I wasn't using that anywhere, was I? LPCT. All right, no, no. Okay, good. Don't mind me. Yeah. um, how would we get to Mars without internet? Spaceships, maybe? I don't know. Uh, right. No, my point was that I think because space travel hasn't proven itself to be the most important thing yet. I think absent that, like the internet is probably the most important thing that has been because I know there's other things like there's major advances in like I don't know. I guess like there's not a huge point in like saying like which is the most important because like there have been major advances in like basically all fields of science. I really gotta give it to the internet. Like if I guess if you ask me, then like I personally think it. Do I even resonate how I look like? I hope so. I don't understand the question, but I hope so. When I wake up in the morning, I want to believe that I resonate how I look like. But sorry, I don't understand the question exactly. Quake. Quake. Quake was a cool game, right? I think I remember liking that one. Uh X or Komega thinks that space travel is unimportant. Does anyone want to take this one, or should I make him feel bad about himself? um, actually, I think if you were paying attention, you'd have noticed that what I said is not necessarily that space travel is the most important. In fact, I think I pretty clearly said space travel is not very important right now. But what I said was that in the future, when we look back at this era, we'll recognize the advances in space travel as being very important. I think if you look if you rewind the tapes and listen back to everything I just said, I didn't actually say that space travel is important. I just said I'm just predicting that in the future we'll recognize that space travel was in fact very important. So, uh, potato potato. I don't know. All right, let's see if the game doesn't crash anymore. Sure would be nice if the game doesn't crash. Nope. All right, what's happening now? Top equip. Yes, that's true. I got rid of that. Are we referencing top equip anywhere else? Uh, no, this is the only other place that we're referencing top equip. So hypothetically, once we get rid of this one, it should be good again. All like balance should be restored to the world. So what am I actually calling it now? T level. Wait, what? Wait, no, not T level. T equip. Yeah. I think that's the correct thing now. Yes. All right, save that. Well, no one said anything about communicating with space. I was only talking about traveling in space. But yeah, no. Like I said, the internet is cool and it's important. It's not the only form of communication though. Like direct communication is not the internet. Like direct, you can communicate directly with someone on the internet, but you're not living the internet up to its full potential. So no, like browsing Facebook from Mars is like use of the internet on Mars. No, but like you know what I mean? It's like the internet is about like is it's about like it's about communication on at a bigger scale. Like yeah. Uh, all right, so just Trusty Bard's gone probably. Yeah. Wow, a lot of people are gone. um, I'm actually probably gonna be gone pretty soon, just because I don't know. I've been streaming for almost 8 hours, so I'll probably do the name tags thing. Once I'm finished testing this, I'll probably do the name tags I'll do the name tags thing, and then oh, the other one was the I might hold off on the nobility points. I don't think it's a core feature. Kinda. But first things first, let's make the game not be crashy. Gonna be crashy game. Once we see Kale, sorry. I really like Kale, and so the first 4 letters of your name. But sorry, Caleb. Yeah, cool. We let him in, and you didn't crash everything. So that's good. And now the next thing to check is that. So now Caleb is he has his walking stick. So now I'm gonna change the formulation for for how levels work. So I'm gonna. I don't have to stop the script yet. No, I'm gonna stop the script. So that way, by the time I'm done, stuff will happen. Oh yeah. So I should formalize these so that way I can keep changing them, or just so that I can tune them. I don't have to change them in a million places every time I do. So yeah, I guess I might as well just put them right here. This formula comes up in a few places. Like here, for example. Oh, this line break is extraneous. Whoops. That one's not. That one is. Okay. I still think space travel is going to be more important someday. I'm saying, like I think right now if you ask anyone or like I don't know. It's like it's cool that we can talk to each other, but I think someday the fact that we're not stuck with this dying star. Not that the star is dying right now, but like someday the star will die, and we'll either die with it or we won't. And I think at that point we'll have to recognize that like the fact that we're not dead is pretty important, and space travel will probably have had something to do with that. Which is the reason that like I don't mean to take this lightly. Like I'm not the reason I said this was not like to emphasize how much more important space travel is than the internet. I was going to make the point, like my original point was the internet is very important, and I was just going to caveat that with the fact that, but oh by the way, asterisks for space travel because it's the reason we're not going to all literally perish. But you know, just trying to be clear. All right, right. So this formula. So Yeah. So right. I guess I'll just put it here. Uh, so like LEXP or LPOW and LMLT. LPOW equals 0.75 and LMULT equals 10. So so LPOW is going to be replacing these guys here. Where else does this formula come up? It's not just. It might just be here. Yeah, it might just be add experience and add player. These might be the only places that we do it. Yeah. All right. So so the part of 4/3 will be played by 1.0. 1.0 divided by LPOW. In all of these locations. And then in this case, this is just LPOW. Alright. And then LMULT is going to replace all these 10s. Blammo. 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 And Blammo. And I think that's all of them. I think that is the full roster. So now, now if I want to blow the scale off blow the lid off this pop stand, if I go like a gazillion points. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot to check if the reverse sort thing was working. But I'll just assume that the reverse sort thing is going to work. Alright, so I'll just do this. And so now if I run the script, everyone should be back down to 0. Except for Kalev, because Kalev's the one who has that data. I think. Wish me luck. Nope. Expected 2 arguments. Got 1? No. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, why does this say plus? What did I do? What have I done? Oh. Oh, I got rid of a comma. Right. Oh, no, I got rid of way too much there. Whoops. Yeah, this is supposed to be +1, comma. Oops, +1, comma. Alright, there we go. Whoops. Alright, so now that thing I just said. So far, so good. Let's see what happens when Caleb gets loaded. Alright, so this guy's starter level. That's good. If Trusty Bard might actually be starter level, so it's not conclusive. Sorry, I'll catch up on chat in just a second. I just want to make sure I don't miss this. Well, no, I can catch up on chat because it's gonna take a second. Caleb. Oh, this is why I need nobility points, because that is gold. Why are the other players not showing up? Is it just taking its sweet time, or like... That's weird. Usually it doesn't take this long. Oh, alright, maybe it's just taking its sweet time. Alright. So that should be Kalev. Please let that be Kalev. Please be Kalev. Yeah, it's Kalev! It's Kalev! So yeah, I think this is working now. Because everyone is completely basic You are all so basic. No, sorry, but Caleb still has a stick, so I think that's good. So now I can set the scale back, and now I can change the scale whenever I want, and it's all good. All right, so that took way longer than I expected, but yeah, I'm gonna restart the script again just because there's no point leaving the game running with this experience scale. Like it would just be gruesome and dreadful, and it would take way too long for anything to happen. Uh, oh, okay. Uh, okay, cool. Oh, I did. Don't feel obligated to stay, Caleb. If you want to take off, I can just like set up a data situation. I just because you were here, I was using that as the test case. But yeah, if sorry, I don't mean to keep you any longer than you feel like staying. Thank you very much. Oh, and I just said that after you said you were gonna put me on mute, so I'm gonna just type it to be safe. Oh, thank you. Um, I think that part is working. Please don't feel obligated. Feel obligated to stay. Uh, if you would, okay, to take off. Uh, thank you again for your vital participation in this important research project. uh, uh, so, cool. Oh wait, no, that's too low. 10 is the mults. Yes. All right. So now if I run it again, we should see it all come back. It should all be back. All the everythings forever and ever. Man. So name tags, spontaneous name tags, because why not? Uh, so yeah, how do I want to do this? I have a few ideas in my brains, but which ideas are the right ideas? So I could just at random times like look at everyone in the queue and like find one whose name tag isn't showing up, which will be most of them a lot of the time, and just be like, you, name tag. Like I could just do it like in a spontaneous manner like that. Or I could do it in more of a consistent manner where every time a player enters the screen, their name tag is queued when they re-enter the screen. Uh, the other thing I want to do is I want to add in a new presentation uh, for the second line of data. I want it to say like in this spontaneous queuing, like when you gain experience, it says plus number equals total number. So it says like plus experience earned equals total experience. So like plus 4 equals 27 or something like that. But like if it's just spontaneous, I do want to show the experience, but uh, um, uh, uh, thank you again for tuning in. Face. um, what was I talking about? Yeah. So I do want this. I do want the score to show up for these spontaneous name tags. I still don't want it to show up when you enter the game, like the first time, because that's just supposed to be like a hello. So I don't need it to be. I don't need it to be showing your score at that time. And then and then so when it shows up spontaneously, like it doesn't make sense to say like plus 0 equals whatever. It makes more sense just to say like however many experience, like just the total number and then XP or something like that. Uh, Actually, what do I say when blitting for name tag 2? Do I say oh, I don't say plus some number of experience equals whatever. I just say plus blank equals whatever. I wonder if I should say the number of experience, like plus blank experience equals whatever. Oh, you know what I never did? Was I never changed things to use effective experience. Everything still uses regular experience. It doesn't use effective experience. So that's fun. Oh, and wow, I really did not finish effective experience. So wow, I somehow somehow I overlooked that part. Wait, so why did that test work? I guess I'm setting effective experience, but I'm not updating effective experience. Because if I was updating effective experience, then uh yeah, no. So Caleb started with a stick, but he wouldn't have gained levels. Uh like normal. He would have been okay, yeah. So it was just an illusion. An illusion, Michael. Sorry. Uh uh So yeah, I guess let's just start looking at places where we use experience and seeing what we want to be doing instead. So one obvious one is adding experience. I should start way higher up. So all right, we don't actually reference experience that many places, but yeah, when we add the player, blah blah blah. This is the part where we actually do it correctly. But when we add experience, we only add in, yeah. So the other thing we need to do is add effective experience. Plus equals exp. Oh, whoops. Effective experience plus equals exp. So also, yeah. So the other thing is for this we're using effective experience. In determining levels up, we use effective experience because if you're much lower level, if you're much lower level, you'll level up a lot. If you're much lower level, you will level up a lot slower than no, a lot faster. Excuse me. So if you're wait, how does this work? Yeah, yeah. This because if you're going by effective experience, then you'll be leveling on the correct scale, given what your level appears to be, or given what your level effectively is. Yeah. All right. That was surprisingly difficult. All right. So the rest of those references are fine, and these ones are all fine. These ones are all correct. Where else do we reference experience? This is another case where we use effective experience. Yes. Where were those other cases? Dot exp All right, so uh, what is this? Late. Oh yeah, yeah. Pedict. Wait. Pedict name.exp. Wait. Pedict name.exp. Why are we printing that? We should be printing whatever. I don't care. It's not important really. All right. So where are the other places that we reference experience? No, we shouldn't be. We shouldn't be referencing that. Why would we? That's just weird. Uh, print. What should we be printing? Well, no, I guess that's fine. Whatever. All right, whatever. I don't care. All right. Onwards. All right. That's not actual references to .exp. All right. So what is this? Wait. What about the? Oh yeah. Yeah. Most places or a lot of places use level and not exp. So. All right. But what about these ones? This is oh, for multi. Oh yeah. No, this one we do want to use actual exp for. All right. So that wasn't so hard. Switching over effective exp. We just have to make sure we're incrementing it because we weren't incrementing it, and we have to make sure that level ups work with effective exp. And the other cases where we care about the user's exp, we have to display it correctly. Yeah, and I think we're doing that now. All right, that was a bit of an oversight. Was there something else I had to do for this before it's okay, or was that the big one? Hopefully that was it. All right. So name tags, right? Oh, I can rerun the script. I don't have to have it off. That'll give more people opportunities to level up and get their persistent data, etc., etc. All right, so name tags. So do I want to show? Yeah, I'm gonna say exp or xp or something. I should say exp to be consistent, because in the written text, Trusty Bard says exp, so I should say exp. So now when you level up, well, should I say like plus x exp equals all of the the big number, or should I say plus x equals big number exp? Or should I say plus x exp equals big number exp? Probably not the last one. I'll say like plus something exp, probably. We can see how that looks. See if we like it. So plus hey, cool. Well, you came to the right place. Oh. Sorry. I'm just gonna change your name. I hope you don't mind. um, feel free to pick a different name for me to have changed yours to, but for now, I'm just gonna change it to that, if that's okay. Just because the chat shows up on screen, so yeah. But hey, how's it going? Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So oh yeah, I was gonna add in exp, I guess, and it'll be in big letters. But I don't know. I guess we'll find out how that looks. You can change people's names. I think Better Twitch TV lets you change people's names. Thank you for following, Sergeant Sticky Tots. uh, Welcome to the channel. Yeah, thank you very much for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Yeah, with Better Twitch TV, I think it's Better Twitch TV. They let you just change the display name, so it doesn't like actually change the name. Oh, actually, this is an opportunity to test out one of my other features though, because in Journey I can do the same thing. Hold on, the player's archive. It was what, BinryBot? No, it was JourneyBot. I changed the name of. What was it? I think I just like pop in a name file, and it updates. So wait, how did I do that? Yeah, it was JourneyBot. So JourneyBot name.txt, and it's just however I feel like having it showed up. All right, so name. So players, Sergeant, SGT. Oh, it's not here yet. Oh, because there hasn't been an event yet. So, whatever, I'll just create it. New folder, SGT, STICKYT blank T. Sorry, just 1 second. New text doc, name.txt, SGT, save. Yeah, I just, I don't know, that seemed like a neat feature to add since, since there's some funny Twitch names out there. So, alright, so I'm going to rerun the script because I want to see what this experience display looks like. So, sorry, I'm going to bring it down for a second. Pardon. Please pardon. Oh, I should also... If I change a name, maybe I should add a way to refresh names or something so that I don't have to bring down the script in order to get that to change. I mean, I did bring down the script anyways, but that'd be a convenient thing to be able to do. Or maybe I should put in a... Oh, yeah, maybe I should put in a command so that I can do that in game without having to like go into the file system and like create that text file or something. Yeah, I'll add that to the list. Where is it? Backlog, journey. So nobility points I might skip. I'll put this higher up because I think I'm more likely to do this. So journey, nobility points. So like name, change command. Save that. I guess I don't have to save this. This auto saves. Alright, so chances are that was enough time for Trusty Bard to do a lap around the building. So I'll rerun the script, and yeah, I'll keep figuring out. I'll just like kind of let that go. Well, no, I should keep it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna. No, I'll just next time an event comes, I'll pay attention, and that way I can see how the should be in promptly 5 minutes. All right, so what about stuff? What about stuff shall I do? Yeah, the name tags. Pardon. I have such a short attention span, or like sense of memory. Like, as soon as I look away from something, I've completely forgotten what what is what. So, that's probably unnecessary. I probably don't need that there. Probably gonna get rid of it. But I'll see. my my guess is I probably don't want it there, but I don't know. Maybe I'll see it and I'll really like it and want to keep it. I don't know. For starters, though, uh, um, all right. So, hey, adults, how's it going? um, so, yeah. Which do I want to do? Do I want to do? I could just have the name show up every time. I think that would actually be the easier implementation. Just well, I guess I have to come up with a new name taggy sort of thing. Or no, I just changed what name tag one means. Oh, but I said I didn't want the. So maybe I'll just have the. Maybe I'll just always. Maybe I'll just always have the second line of the second line of text show up. So like even when you first enter the game, or even when the game first starts, it'll say your. It won't just say your name. It'll also say your experience points. There are worse things in the world. um. Hmm. Hmm. No, I don't want that. uh, do I? Alright, wait, hold on. I'm gonna look at the game for a second. I'll meditate on what it would look like. What these potential futures for the game look like. So the characters wander in. And right off the bat, no, new characters, uh, no, like for start, yeah, I should just add in a different mode. I should add in like, I should, I might even change like what happens, when you first enter. Like I might make it say, I might use the second line of text, but, uh, have something else show up there. No, no, that's not really necessary. Oh, oh, I know what I'll do. Uh, yeah, I'll just, huh, huh. Maybe like, when you participate in an event, hmm, when you participate in an event, maybe you'll get like flagged as like a person who cares about life. And then if you're flagged for that, mm, then then you're then you're